Hello friends, welcome to the online lecture series of Employability Skills and Development. Myself, Assistant Professor Mr. V.R. Vadekar from Department of Electronics and Telecommunication from Matoshi College of Engineering and Research Center affiliated to Savitribai Phule, Pune University. We are studying module number 1, Understanding Self and Soft Skills. So let's start with the video. So before starting today's lecture, let's have a quick revision. If you remember friends, last lecture we have studied about introspection method. That what is introspection? Why we do introspection? What are the characteristics of introspection methods? And what are its merits and what are the limitations of it? And today we are going to study the most important topic is Swoc analysis. So let's start with it. Well, a Swoc analysis, it is a strategic planning tool that can be used for self-assessment during your curricular assessment regarding as any business organization setup or startup, achieving your goals, selecting colleges for your higher studies, and so on. So as you can see on the screen, basically Swoc analysis, it is categorized as internal factors and external factors. So you can see in internal factors, strengths, S for strengths and W for weakness, they are considered as internal factors because they are in our hand, they are controllable. Whereas O for opportunities and C for challenges, these comes under external factors and these are uncontrollable factors because these factors are not in our hand. We couldn't control it. So as you got from the Swoc, S stand for strength, W for stand for weakness, O for stand for opportunities and C stand for challenges. So question is how to do Swoc analysis. So for this guys, there is instruction for you. Just take out your pen and diary with you. And remember, you should be in a room where there is no external noise or disturbance it is there that is going to make interference while analyzing yourself. You should be quiet, calm and peaceful because you are going to do a most important thing about yourself. You are analyzing yourself. So let's take an example that you are going to do a Swoc analysis for yourself. That what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, what do you find the opportunities and what are the challenges that you are going to face. So let's start the students. First is strengths. As we know, they are internal. So strengths are what you do well. And remember guys, be realistic. Don't fool yourself. Otherwise, whatever the result that you will get, it is going to not help you out. So suppose you want to get your strengths, you should write at least 10 minimum strengths. So if you are not getting your strengths, then you should ask few questions for yourself. That what do you do better than others? What advantages does you have? What do others see as your strengths? Or in what field you will succeed? What are your capabilities? So suppose, let's take an example. You are having a good communication skill. You are best planner. You are very friendly nature, very confident and having sufficient knowledge of sector you are working or want to work with. You are good looking, you are handsome. So these are your strengths. Now, talking about your weaknesses. Weaknesses are also internal. So consider weakness in terms of how you and others perceive your weaknesses. And remember again, guys, be realistic. So you can ask few questions that what can be improved in yourself. Is there anything you would like to do better that is not strong now? Or what do others see as your weaknesses? What are the negative thoughts in you? As let's take an example that you have a stage fearing, lack of confidence, no proper concentration in your studies, your language barrier, communication skills. It could be your weaknesses. Now, we would see the opportunities. Opportunities, well, these are the external sources that helps you to achieve success. So again, you should write the 10 opportunities as you have written the 10 strengths and 10 weaknesses. And suppose you are not getting, guys, about your strengths and weaknesses by asking questions also. You can take a help of your friends, your parents also. Now, talking about opportunities, you can ask similar questions. That what are the changes that you can make use of? What are the opportunities available for you? Who can help me out? What are the current trends going on by which I can select my career? So you can think around yourself, your environment, in your office, in your colleges, in your home, that what are the resources, what are the people are ready to help you out. So these are the opportunities which you need to grab it. Now, talking about challenges. Challenges, guys, these are the primarily, external distractions in your goal, whatever goal you have set for you or for which you are going to do your Swoc analysis. So these are the challenges. So again, honest analysis will be beneficial to help identify what needs to be done, to put problems into perspective. So you can ask what are the external obstacles? Who do you have to compete with? Is the external environment changing as like this financial, your social, your politics? Is it going to affect you? Your college environment, your office environment? Or could any weakness challenge your future? You have set a goal for your future. You have decided this aim. And this weakness, it is going to, come. This is the challenges that you are going to face in order to achieve this one. So students, remember, this is one of the most important tool for your analysis. It is not for self-analysis. Analysis for anything you can do that I already told you. So guys, today we have seen a short lecture of Swoc analysis, but it is one of the most strongest tool that would help you out throughout your life. So whenever you have a confusion, you couldn't take the decision, then do Swoc analysis. In next module, we would see about personal and career goal settings. So thank you, friends, for being with us.